Hi everyone, this is Mike here. So I want to share a quick video tutorial with you. I want to show you how to make a raft. So for that we need a couple of rubber bands, we need a lot of popsicle sticks, and we need two bottles of water. So to get started first, so you get three of those. And you also need a glue gun, hot glue gun I would say. So you put them like that, and you need to glue it on like this. So let me do that for you pretty quick. Okay. Yeah, the best, but try to do a good job. Let us do a second one. Put some hot glue gun here. That should be it. Okay, put some glue here. Make sure it sticks together. Yeah, there you go. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it and put it this way, and we're gonna add all of those like that. So we're gonna put them like this. You can see we're gonna put all of them like that. So before doing that, we put two on the extremity like that. We put two on the extremity like that. Two of them. So let's do that. And leave some space. You can see here. Leave some space here. There you go. Oh, I made a small mistake. Okay, that's okay. Make it work anyway. No big deal. It's just to show you what can be done. Just don't make the same mistake I made. So all this should be on the other side. This should be on the other side, but we do with it. That's no big deal. For now, I put on one side for now. Just for the purpose of demonstration, I put on one side so it can also go faster. You can see here. Okay, so let's put some here too. There you go. There you go. And you keep doing that like this until you finish all of it. There you go. Really well done. There you go. Keep going this way. We need four more. And we should be good. There we are. So there it is, guys. So now the purpose is to put it like this. So we're gonna have two bottles like that. If you can see what it is. And now the purpose is to add the rubber band at the bottom of that. Let's put it this way. So we have a kind of crossroad here. So this is how I wanted it to be. That's why I added that part there. There you go. Let's try to finish that. Let me do that one for this one. There you go. You can see how it is now. Let's do it for the other part now. Let me start with that one first. There you go. That's it, guys. So here you are. So that's a type of raft. So you can go in the lake not too far from you. You can play with the kids in your bathtub. I want to say that's pretty easy to do. Take a look at it. Take a look underneath. So what can be done is, so you can take a wooden barbecue stick, make a little hole here, and put it here in here. So you put the wooden stick here, and if you want it to stick, maybe you can also put underneath a cork. You can put a cork underneath, and you can put the stick in it and glue it. And you can put a little veil, so it may be a piece of paper, that you cut in triangle, and have something nice. So yeah, that's it, guys. So not a too long tutorial, but funny to do, and you can give it whatever shape you want as well, and that would be really nice. So you can really have fun. So you can add more bottle as well and have fun with it. Well, here it is, guys. So I hope you enjoy it. So please like the video, share it, and also put a like on the channel. So subscribe to the channel. Alright, guys. Thank you.